and welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien, and today we're going to see how to change a starter. So for this operation you will need a ratchet, an extension, a 12-point socket, a 30mm flat spanner, a 12mm flat spanner, and if needed an end cap remover to unscrew your oil filter to better access the starter. After unplugging your battery, disconnect the wiring from the electrical system. You can now disconnect all the bolts from the starter. Depending on the model, the oil filter can get in the way. Remove it if necessary. You can now remove the old starter and repeat the procedure in reverse order to install the new one. Don't hesitate to like and share this video. See you soon.